This is the vacant lawn that I'm going to make a change to. It is situated in the woods of North Campus along the Paintbrush Trail. In the back is a Christian community. And here is my site plan for turning it into a community garden. Along the woods behind the dog park, there would be a forest garden mixed with a pollinator garden, a beekeeping place, and a small composting site. Right next to that, in the back, are 3 plots of land which are used to grow vegetables or fruits that are for sale on site. In the middle is a recreational center where people can relax. At the very bottom are some plant beds made out of recycled materials. Those are for rent. People can grow their own vegetables or flowers there. And now let's take a careful look at our forest garden first. A forest garden is a sustainable way of farming. Fruit trees, nut trees, vegetables, even mushrooms can all be planted in there. Within it, different kinds of flowers and trees which have different flowering period throughout the year would be planted also as a pollinator garden. This is to help to protect the local bee populations, which has been constantly decreasing over these years due to the use of pesticides and herbicides. And of course, it is beneficial to the honeybees that are kept on site, which is one of the most efficient pollinators in nature. And there is a small composting site in the garden that can produce our own organic green fertilizers. As we can see here, right next to the forest garden, rows of vegetables will be planted here by professional staffs who work here, and when the vegetables are mature, they would sell those vegetables directly or provide it to the recreational center mentioned earlier as a raw material for fresh vegetable juices or snacks. In the middle is our recreational center. There are tables at the corner and one big table in the center. Chairs are all movable chairs. People can relax here with their families and friends, have a seat, order some drinks or snacks made from the freshest raw materials that are grown on site, and chat. The big table in the center is for activities like teaching people how to make handmade candles or essential oil from fresh flowers or from the beeswaxes on site. For the most time, it serves like a little bar with working staffs in the middle, making fresh drinks and snacks for people relaxing there. And the final part is at the north side of the garden, at the bottom of the site plan, where there are lots of plant beds made out of recycled materials. These plant beds are rented to people. They can grow vegetables or flowers in their own plant bed with their families and friends, and with the help of our professional staffs there. Another thing to mention is that on the roof of the tool shed there will be solar panels to provide energy for electricity use on site.